Good morning, everyone. Welcome to just a market review for this week. Let me share my screen. And welcome to another market review. So what we can see, it's the last week, it's month end, right? So this is the last week of July and leading into the first week of August. On the 2nd of, so that means there's NFP coming through, right? So let's go to our economic calendar and check what's happening, right, in this week. Cool. Um, this video will be short and simple, won't take long. Cool. So today's Tuesday, there's USD news and Euro news, CPI, GDP, right? Wednesday, tomorrow, there's FOMC, interest rate decision, FOMC, right? So that will impact USD. So probably you should wait with your trades until then, right? Because here it's just market will be playing around today, looking to push the direction with USD on Wednesday, right? Thursday, some news, Great British Pound, you can look through to that at 1 p.m. And then Friday, obviously, NFP, right? Okay. So with that said, let's get to the charts. Now that we know that there's FOMC and non-farming payroll on Friday, that's good. We understand how the market will move. So when there's NFP, any week that has NFP, the market will just be spiking up and down, you know. There will be no direction. There'll be just spikes leading into the following week to give us direction, right? And here is CPI is just give me a sec. Man. Yeah, so the following week, it will be a quiet week. You see, this following week. So I've said next week, see it's a quiet week. So all the action will be happening in this week, right? There'll be a lot of volatility, and then next week market will just move in the right direction, whatever direction it chooses. We will find out, right? So, right, let's look at the market, right? What has happened? Okay, now the month is ending, so with my leading indicator that only my students get, right? Gold in this month moved up. We, you know, so that was USD weakness, hit its resistance zone, which it usually resists here, but it has hit its resistance zone. Then once it hit there, it just did a pullback. So right now, with here, I can see there's a head and shoulders here, and then price came to retest at 61.8 to drop. Where was I? Um, DXY, we can see DXY here that it was very bearish, right? And then it hit support. Now the bulls are coming in, which correlates with gold, right? So let's So where was I? Sorry. Um, yeah. So we were looking at DXY, right? The dollar index. So the dollar index, we can see that we had support. After support, we're looking for a push up, ABC pattern, move up, break this resistance here. So we're looking for bulls to come through, right? As we've seen from our indicator. On gold, I'm just looking for the chart, the gold chart to open. Uh, on gold, we had resistance, right? We definitely had resistance here. Price is not breaking that resistance there, right? When we zoom in closer, when you zoom in closer, there's a head and shoulders pattern, all right? We broke through there, came back, retested at the 61.8 fib zone to move further down. So we're looking for USD weakness, I mean strength by tomorrow. Today it might play around, but definitely from tomorrow, expect USD strength, right? So yeah, that's it. You know, we can check things like GBP, like US 30. When indices go up, that means USD is weak. So now it hits target. It's at the 61.8, I believe. Yeah, you can see it with the naked eye. You see, it turned, it's at the turning point of 61.8. That's where it turned to move further down. So we're expecting move to the downside with US 30. USD CHF hit target. It's just waiting to break this to move to the upside. So everything is showing USD strength, right? So we're not going to analyze too much this week because it is a scalping week. This is a scalping week, basically. You in, you out. You know, you get into your trade 2 hours, be out, because there's going to be a lot of spikes in this week. There's FOMC Wednesday. There's FOMC Wednesday. And then there's NFP Friday. So there's going to be a lot of volatility. You can see with the amount of news in this week that this is a very highly volatile week. So get in, get out if you want to trade. But if you are not a skilled trader, do yourself a favor, stay out of this week, start trading from next week, right? Those are the laws. So I'm not looking at pairs in depth now because only after from next week it will give us the direction for the whole month. For now, it's just playing around movements, we're just trying to catch a few pips, get out, a few pips, get out, a few money, little money there and there, scalp and get out. So yeah, that's it for the week, but try and trade towards USD strength because that's what's going to happen. So it's going to spike, but at the end of the day, it's going to move towards USD strength in all pairs. So then, yeah, next week we'll cover in depth the pairs, but yeah, look for strength. GBP USD drop, Euro USD drop, USD CHF move up. USD JPY, please don't trade it. Wait for next week. DXY, obviously strength, gold, weakness. So yeah, that's it for this review. I just wanted to remind you that this is not the direction of swing trading. This is a scalping week. So yeah, then yeah, we'll cover better from next week when the new month has started and we see direction. That's the direction for the whole month. Cheers and have a blessed week.